Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will start English grammar new chapter verbs infinitives. Words that express an action or tell us what a person is, what a person was, what he does, did, what he has or had are called verbs. Okay? So here one example is given in your textbook. Ruskin Bond is a famous author. He has a house in Missouri. He has written many stories for children. In the above sentence, is, has, written and has are verbs. These verbs tell us that the subject Ruskin Bond is a famous author, indicate action, has written and what he possesses has a house. Okay. So these are verbs. Now verbs are of two types, transitive and intransitive verbs. The verb, transitive verb require an object. So verb that require an object to complete its meaning is called transitive verb, which it indicate an action which passes from the doer to an object. I found the necklace. First example is given. I found the necklace. So verb is found. It is transitive verb because I found what I found, the necklace. Okay, when it require an object, then it is a transitive verb. The action of the subject I passes on the object necklace. Some transitive verb take two objects and are called detransitive verbs. One object is direct, another is indirect. So like example is given here. See in your textbook, he gave the bag to the porter. What he gave? First find the verb. Verb is gave. Okay, then what he gave? The bag. Okay, the bag is the direct object. And who received the bag? Okay, who receive and who receive or benefit, that one is the indirect object. Second example, she gifted. Gifted is the verb. What she gifted? The book. And who received it? Here me. So the book is the direct object and me is the indirect object. Intransitive verb does not require an object to complete its meaning. Okay, like the dog jumped. One example, the dog jumped. Lata Mangeshkar sings. Subhash Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter. Okay, these verbs does not require any object. Okay, if we write the dog jumped, how he jumped? Dog jumped high. Lata Mangeshkar sings melodiously. Subhash Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter. Then these words are not object. These are complement. Okay, complement for the verb. Now question number 1. Read the following sentences and state whether the verbs are transitive or intransitive after you underline the verb. At first you have to underline the verbs. Okay. So first underline the verbs. First one, borrowed. Okay. Then what I borrowed? Borrowed the book. The book is the direct object. So it is borrowed is the transitive verb. Okay. She solved. What she solved? Solved is the direct transitive verb because what she solved, it require an object, the puzzle. So it is also transitive verb. She was sketching. What she was sketching? She was sketching a portrait. So was sketching is also transitive verb. We were in the hostel together. We were in the hostel. Object is not there. So it is intransitive verb. They are organizing an excursion trip. What they are organizing? Then it is also transitive verb. They are organizing. If we are getting the answer of what and it require an object, then it is a transitive verb. The worm bit the leaf. What the worm bit? The leaf. Okay. Then bit is the transitive verb. Jerry ate. What Jerry ate? The cheese. It is also transitive verb. Robinson Crusoe rowed the boat. What he wrote? Here also transitive verb. He discovered the abandoned ship later. What he discovered? The abandoned ship. So it is also transitive. He locked the cupboard. What he locked? The cupboard. So words, verb which require an object to complete its meaning are called transitive verb. Question number 2. Pick out the object from the following sentences. After you identify the transitive and intransitive verb, Some sentence have two objects. State whether the objects are direct or indirect. First one has been done for you. He returned the book to her. Here verb. First of all, you have to find the verb. Returned is the verb. Okay. Then what he returned? The book. So the book is the direct object. And who got the book? Here her. Her is the indirect object. Okay. Her is indirect object. The teacher delivered. Delivered here verb. What she delivered? A lecture. A lecture is direct object. And to whom? To the student. The student is indirect object. Okay. The sun shone brightly. The sun shone. Shone is the verb. Okay. And brightly is complement. Okay. The sun shone. So it is intransitive verb. I will give the golf set to Tina. So here shown is the, sorry, I will give. Will give is the transitive verb. What I give? The golf set. Golf set is the direct object. To whom? Tina. Tina is the indirect object. Okay, understanding? Elton John dedicated a song. Elton John dedicated. Dedicated is transitive verb. A song direct object. To whom? Lady Diana is the indirect object. Okay, understanding or not? Delivered verb, here lecture direct object and the student indirect object. Will give verb, the golf here golf set direct object and Tina indirect object. Elton John dedicated verb, transitive verb, a song direct object and Lady Diana indirect object. Okay, I saw the girl. Here I saw. What I saw? The girl. So it is transitive verb and the girl is the indirect object. Okay, the magician threw the hat at the audience. Threw. What he threw? The hat. To whom? The audience. The audience is indirect. Indirect object. Hat is direct object and threw is the verb, transitive verb. The frog jumped. Jumped is the verb. The frog jumped on the prey instantly. So it is the frog jumped on the prey in transitive verb. Understand? Now question number 3. Read the following sentences and circle the intransitive verb. Only underline the subject complement. Okay, what you have to do? Circle the intransitive verb. The security guard was snoring. So was snoring is intransitive. Okay, complement. The flight arrived. Arrived is the verb, intransitive verb, late. Okay, these are complement. These are not object. He visited the place where the freedom fighter lived. It is transitive verb. Okay, he visited where he visited the place where the freedom fighters lived. It is transitive verb. Okay, we have to find only intransitive verb. My father is a scientist. My father here is a scientist, complement. Ruskin Bond is intransitive verb. An author, complement. She is jogging. Is here and she is jogging around the park. The train arrived on time. William Shakespeare was is verb, renowned playwright. Okay, the washerman washes intransitive verb, regularly complement. The chef prepared here, sorry, it is transitive verb. Okay, what he prepared, new dish is given, so it is transitive verb. So these are was snoring intransitive. Arrived is. Sixth one also is jogging. Seventh arrived. Eighth was, and ninth washes. These are intransitive verb. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. Thank you.